Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can enable pairing mode manually on your JBL Alive 400. So first of all, you have to grab the right headphone and then simply turn them on by using this switcher. Right now it will turn white, and to activate the pairing mode you have to grab the right headphone or rotate and click on this Bluetooth button. So click on it once, and after that you will find that this indicator turns blue and starts blinking. And right now you will be able to find your headphones on the available devices list. So after a few moments you will get another one. There we got, and you can just click on it once and connect. So as you can see, that's all for this video. Hope you like it.